Are you looking to create VSLs for your business, for your brand, or for your company? Well, with EasyVSL, you can do just that. Using EasyVSL, you can create kinetic videos, you can create scripts, and so much more. Welcome to Software Safari. My name is Toby, and I'll be taking you through EasyVSL and all that it offers you. Once you have access to the EasyVSL platform, you simply click on the Create a New Video. When you're creating a new video, you include the video name. You can call this, you can create a new video. You can pick 3 of the different types of videos available on VSL. With EasyVSL, you can create a new classic VSL, the ones that we see a lot. We can create a new kinetic typography VSL, or you can create a new live action video VSL. Any of the 3, you can start creating videos. We'll create a new classic VSL. When creating one, you can choose to start from scratch. You can copy and paste a script that you have from another place, or you can upload your voiceover, and this is available on the premium option. We'll choose to start from scratch. When we're starting from scratch, we can pick firstly what the main goal of our VSL video is. If it is to publicize Software Safari, on YouTube, we can pick the amount of words that we'd want, let's say 500 words. We can pick the tone that we want to be using that video. We can say an excited tone, an informal tone, an encouraging tone, whichever one suits your fancy. We can pick who our audience is, the main audience for this piece. We can say people we can put multiple points of discussion. This will help when AI is generating your script. You can include a point of discussion, let's say we can add as much as we want with a maximum of 5. We can pick a call to action. And if we want to add testimonials from other users, we can click yes. If not, we can simply generate our script. We can see if you'd want to make changes, you can make changes, or you can increase the length. Next, when you connect, we choose your design settings. Here you can pick a background that you'd want to use in your slides. You can upload your own slide, or you can pick from the array made available to you by EasyVSL. We can pick this one. And you can take a look again at the text and make any changes that you'd want. And next, here you can choose how the default slide would look. We can pick specific color settings. We can pick specific font types. For this, we would pick this font, and we can pick specific sizes, and we can pick specific colors. When you're satisfied with that, you can simply click on next, and you can see your VSL has been generated. Once it is generated, ensure that you take a look at the multiple scenes and you make changes where you feel necessary. You can see it as a scene, or you can see and choose to add a video. When you're done, you click on next, and your slides are prepared. This might take a little while, so you can just wait. And you can see from the timeline, you can choose to add background music. You can add intro music, background music alternatives. When you pick one, you can simply add it to your timeline. Once your audio is added, you can listen to it on the timeline. And when you're satisfied with that section, you simply click on the next scene. Click on the next scene. And you can see slide 2 comes in at that instance. And if you're satisfied with this one, you click on the next scene. There are no longer any scenes to go to, so you can see the whole work from the beginning to the end. From here, you can also add background music, or you can add uploaded music to EasyVSL. And once you're done, you simply publish. You choose a destination, you choose your video name, the quality you want your video to be in, if you want to include the metadata, and you can edit the metadata here. And once you're satisfied, you simply publish your video. Oh, I need to pick a destination to publish. So as you can see, EasyVSL makes editing and creating VSLs very fast and very quick. You'd have to make multiple changes to get exactly what you want, but EasyVSL can do that for you. You're welcome to try EasyVSL through the link in the description of this video. And if you have any question or need any clarification, you can ask and we'd love to answer. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Software Safari. Goodbye.